Stay cool, calm, and collected this summer with the help of Atlas Heating and Air. We specialize in the installation, repair, and maintenance of brand name AC units that keep you comfy at home. Why not cool your whole home with a sleek and powerful central air conditioner? Or you can invest in an all-in-one heating and cooling system like a heat pump. And for customers without air ducts, we can set you up with the state-of-the-art ductless heat pump system. As always, the choice is yours. For more information, call Atlas Heating and Air to explore your air conditioning options. Atlas, at last, a name you can trust.